Y'all, I finally got my hands on the Tymo hair dryer.
Okay, so I fucked up. So I ended up blow drying my hair, but I accidentally went back, so all that footage got deleted. But I will repeat what I said about the first impression. So first impression is it's very lightweight, it's very easy to handle, so I do like that. My hair did not get snagged in the comb attachment, and the comb attachment, since it's magnetic, it definitely stayed put, which I like. But I also think it depends on how much you detangle your hair. And also, what else did I say? Oh, it got really smoky in here, but I also had my blow dry spray as well as heat protectant serum, so I think that's where the smoke came from. My hair still feels nice and flowy, see it moves, it's not stiff. It still gets pretty hot, but not as hot as how my Silverbird was. Silverbird, that should burn your neck. This, it got hot, but it didn't burn my neck. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and come back with the results. Okay, so being that I messed up and wasn't able to show you the first one, I guess I'll show you guys the last twist of my hair and how it works.